Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hills District Garrett Elinas Dykes hini ke siu la plak bait ba ekakali ke generator bat ki solar lamp nak benta ban yo ching toy ki khna school bit bat ki no rap karilum giant ya hak ji lang lingkot ke bla penlong hap la office DC. Yakni kakali ke generator bat ki solar lamp la IT Chaka Bosco Integrated Development Society ban penyat yang jingdan kam na marketing project implementation agency kat ba kapisa pat kawan na ke CRS na ke CSR fund jong ke napcons ke mereka company jong ke nabat ya ke generator ula ong kila penan kam hakapor dan program ni ban fokum bat kuwait kat ba ke kalipat lapan krep ban penan kam haki keper so na ba hapo laskin block West Giant Hills District hadu kumba aspat ti kinong yeng ki ban yo jing mentoy kuma ka ban kit sembai kit sebuah ban leti ki masih yo bat ru ban kit biar kita jong ki sebuah Shosho ulaya thu bagi hikai ru ikinong rap kumno ban thui ki ding so baper ban ri jingri bat ki wei la ong ru bakani project kan ya hadu hendrus nambat ka daw ba IT ban penyat daga Bosco Integrated Development Society namar babon ki project bayar day bat ka state government la penyat da maka kun thop ru ki project perso ki school mate bat ki wei hak ni si lai don lang USP ke West Giant Hills District ubi marak ka kunhun nap cons na Guwahati ki ba mi khmat na ki bang baper na kitnat tri kam sarkar bat ki wei
started funding and the grounding of certain projects with a very large portfolio has started effective from this year. We are going to upscale Yalong Civil Hospital in West Giant Hills. We are also going to upscale Umolong PHC, Nongkalong PHC, and one more PHC I don't quite remember. We have also gone into funding of Anganwadis for the ICDS and Social Welfare Department, which the state government of Meghalaya as a whole is a very big client of ours. And finally, also we are looking to foray into education. We are still working out the fine details of it all regarding proposals and projects, but hopefully education will become a very big portfolio for us, and more so in Giant Hills. And maybe in the future we'll see how we can go with the police department. I mean, there are many ways to go about it, but enough said.
Child injury for farmers of Giant Hills. I just want, in one sentence, to share here, since we have NABARD, and we have SURE and other NGO. I've been saying this, and it's always in my mind. 80% of our population depends their livelihood on agriculture. But even for all our foods coming to our kitchen still come from outside. So the demand is there. The scope is there, potential is all there. But maybe something we are lacking to tap all the resources which we can at least sustain in terms of food production, including animal husbandry within this state. I think COVID has taught us one lesson. I can share here. I have much pressure during COVID in 2020 than 2021. If we talk about the number of cases, the number of people who died is negligible in 2020, but comparatively is huge in 2021. But I have more pressure in 2020. It's not because of the virus, because of shortage of food items. I can say this, because the reason is, it was a national lockdown. All our food products come from outside. So it was pressure for, I think, the entire state. We found it very difficult to bring essential food items to the people of the state during lockdown in 2020. So I think taking this as a lesson, we have, if we go outside, even a few kilometers from Chuai, there are plenty of empty land which can be contributed with different variety of fruits. So I think something is maybe only a click of button. If we can find the strategy, we can be self-sufficient. So So I'm sharing this thought.
Regarding funding, BD jaka jing kadika sanction ne ka support ka pisa kini ki project baro apo jong kadika ni pentir kadika super kari kadika tempo pasangdor kumai mat saulak tam utu generator de arlak siteng nata kini solam kumba silak arlak. So overall hangni mentakasing spend kumba pra lak menrupu hajar yai nata ne perso shatairu ni spend kumba siklur arpo ar lak. Kena day for 6 years. Nalor kataro kwambaong ifada mene par inaugurate program. Kadan ru sa kanina po ka government of Germany kisiyo kapoy kapisa baro kinoy kaya kini night school baro kawana ka government of Germany but sport stationery but yaki salary jong baro kini kaya ki night school. So kadika collaboration jong baro jong napa jong napcons but jong government of Germany. Thank recording with G Karluki. Napa. Mentakasi ni lang ha kanika DC campus apo Juwai kanika inauguration berka flagging of ceremony kemud kajing pelat ya kanika kali kanika Maruti super carry tempo balaban kitar kitgi farm produce kitgi cut school ye baro ha ko por godan wayu Honda generator bapanda kanika tempo ni 7 kVA nataki dan bat light totally solar lamps. Kadang project berkhoi, kadang berpenyat dengan Bosco Integrated Development Society, kadang project implementation agency. Teka funding kepisah kawan kawan apa ka CSR funds jokan napcons kadang company jokan nabat. Mau kejongi, kemudian ni kuah nang ni ba kadang koi ka community kiongkiran night school, community night school project kemudian apa East but West Center Hills. Te nata hapo kini school kidan life how teli palat life how teli ki senang. Jangka jantia. Tekini ki school kini kena red kini belahir kumju kini bam julet hakini ki bingi ongki conventional schools. Kini ki bersupuli janmit lagi kumtu. Tekini ke kini community schools hakipor dan kipor ginjar kim dan live dan upor kim situ am kipuli janmit di lawan bala lawan trek. Kemudian dah kacing ni ki solar lam ni kuak nang ki bakin dah awan ni ki jimbala ni ki jing trek juki ki madai nak berat bahaya ru bikin lam chong ni school bikin yo kacing shai ling ba jong ki solar lam. Teknik ke generator ru lada kanu upor bikin program nanu upor bikin kamban pom nanu kila ban use kanu ka function ka program kila ban use new generator. Baru bakado kini kali ke bahaya kini ke tempo kini Maruti super carry ya kini ke tempuru attach ke district jungi po West Center Hills. Te ya kani ni plan man use ki ha kani kadang ko ka perso project kepada hipo lasken prateli ki snang hipo lasken te kidan kumba ars pa teli ki long yin ki ban benefit na kani project ni kai ki kumno bikin tung ding so kumno bikin tung pineapple so tron kumno bikin le farming piggery poultry bun jaki kam tekni project kan ya hadun rus nam tekni ka kalir ki la ban use ha ta kapor nadu ba kit sambai kit sbo bandi ki mar mata juki chayo kila ban kit ni ki tiar school ni ki night school ni yang so kai ka ban pair ya ni project ni ki project ki bang jule apo Meghalaya ne apo West Hills kalong ba kan ni kapisa jo kan ni kawan na kawini ka company jungi ka napcons Napcons ketika nabat consultancy company ketika beli gini ki kam consultancy nama ta state government jungi Meghalaya ru kalen bun ki agencies hapo ya government of India bun ki wi jat company te ka CSR berbor kemud baka pisa kawan na ka profit na ka net profit jangan ka company so it is a way of giving back ketika baki yang nu ka jingyo nong ka ba habakut jung snam baro ki the biang syaka imlang salam te tang kita wishbut kalau menilai project kenika Bosco ka BITS Bosco Integrated Development Society kenika project implementation agency kemudian banyak kenika kali ingin handover sa ka Bosco nomor ba nimla machu ay klumar hanunu no abdan ba penyat ina sa ka Bosco kan siyo insurance ka Bosco kan penyo ya ka registration kan le ka Bosco ki driver kan bu ka Bosco nila ru ban ikini baro amdai tangi kali generator begini ki solar lamp ru ni solar lighting ina baro sa ka Bosco nomor ka Bosco hi ketika project implementation agency yaki night school ru ketika Bosco hi ki project ki bedai ba state government bun ka penyat ka Bosco ini project perso jungiru ka penyat hi ka Bosco teka ka sok bat ka smobet jiru baka deven penyat ka Bosco kin pet maki maintenance an ngidang hope ngina ikran man yang nepo DC office yang balada maybe ngila banan ki training man hikai kinong rap kan thai jungi kumno kin nya tempo kumno bikin kit gitar le ru hata por ngila ban use ya kan hi kali kanang ban pen ki ka im ya ka ya ka income ya ka jingyo joki hata kali yang so this project is a CSR collaboration of NABARD, NAPCONS and Bosco Integrated Development Society. There is a Tempo vehicle, and then there is a Honda generator 7 kV, and there are almost 30 solar lamps which will be used in the community night schools and children's parliaments in East Jhanti Hills and West Jhanti Hills. This whole project will also cater to the Perso project, which is in Laskan block of West Jhanti Hills. There are around 200 family beneficiaries under this project, and under the project we are teaching them how to plant trees, how to plant orchards, how to do piggery, poultry, gender empowerment, and then SHG formation, and many other livelihood interventions as well. But this is just what we are talking about today. The van and the generator and the solar lamp. This is only to supplement the existing project under Laskan block for the orchard families, and also the ongoing project which is being supported by the German government, where there, like I told you before, the community night schools and the children's parliament. So the salaries, the honoraria, and the stationery and books for the children are being taken care under this other grant. So basically, to put it in a nutshell, it is a convergence and a collaboration between NABARD, NAPCONS, the government of Germany and Bosco Integrated Services. Thank you so much.